Have you ever wondered why some cryptocurrencies seem to defy the laws of physics? They're invisible, can be sent across the globe in seconds, and yet they're backed by real-world value. Today, we're diving into one of these mysterious digital assets, Beam USDT. The crypto world is a vast, ever-evolving ecosystem. There are thousands of coins and tokens, each with its unique features and purposes. Some are designed for payments, others for decentralized applications, and still others for storing value. Beam USDT falls into the latter category. What is Beam USDT? Beam USDT is a privacy-focused stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. This means that one Beam USDT is always worth $1. Unlike traditional stablecoins, Beam USDT offers a high level of privacy and security. It uses a technology called Mimblewimble, which allows for confidential transactions, making it difficult for anyone to track your funds. Why choose Beam USDT? There are several reasons why you might consider using Beam USDT. Privacy. If you value your financial privacy, Beam USDT is an excellent choice. Its confidential transactions can help protect your personal information. Stability. As a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, Beam USDT offers a relatively stable value compared to other cryptocurrencies. This can be beneficial for those who want to avoid the volatility of the crypto market. Security. Beam USDT is built on a secure blockchain network. This means that your funds are protected from hacking and other security threats. Accessibility. Beam USDT can be easily bought, sold, and traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges. How does Beam USDT work? Beam USDT uses a unique consensus mechanism called proof of work. This means that miners verify transactions and add them to the blockchain. In return, they receive a reward in Beam USDT. The network's security is ensured by the computational power of these miners. The future of Beam USDT. Beam USDT has the potential to become a popular choice for those who value privacy and stability. As the crypto market continues to evolve, it's likely that we'll see more innovative uses for this stablecoin. Beam USDT is a fascinating cryptocurrency with a lot to offer. Its combination of privacy, stability, and security makes it a compelling option for those looking to diversify their digital asset portfolio. If you're interested in learning more about Beam USDT or investing in it, be sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.